Hey guys, welcome back to another Curls by Danny. I am Danny and thank you all for tuning into my channel. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and then you can get notifications for when I upload new videos. So today I'm just going to take you through this tutorial of how I got this bomb twist out with Eden's products. I use their Peppermint line here, and yeah, so I'm just going to take you through that. So first things first, I had shampooed with their natural shampoo. This is awesome. I mean, this is like one of the best shampoos I have ever had, to be honest. It just feels awesome, like amazing. Very clarifying. It's cooled my scalp because y'all know I got thick hair, so I hardly ever like feel a breeze or nothing through my scalp. So to have a Peppermint Tea Tree shampoo, it just left my scalp so cool, like having a Vicks vapor rub on your scalp. It was awesome. So that's the first thing I did. I'm going to insert a video of that. And then the second thing I did was I deep conditioned with their hair mask. It's from the coconut line. This is not it here, but this is what it looks like. It was just from the coconut line. I used the packet, so I don't have the packet to show you because I threw it out. It was good too. It was really nice. It left my hair really soft and just felt like it was absorbing all the nutrients it needed. Then after that, I have went in with the Peppermint Tea Tree conditioner, and this right here, this was amazing. Like, so I read the back because every conditioner is different. So I read the back. It said leave in for 3 minutes and then rinse, because when I first put it in, I will let you know this, when I first put it in, it kind of didn't give me the slip that I wanted. It just kept my hair like I couldn't move. So I was like, all right, well, let me listen to the instructions. So I left it in for a few minutes, finished the rest of my shower. Then at that point I started detangling, and as I was detangling with my fingers, I started getting some amazing slip with this conditioner. So I highly recommend this line. Like, first off, just from the shampoo and conditioner, it's awesome. So try that. It gives me some good slip. It might give y'all good slip too. I hope you guys try it out and let me know. Also, I'm going to insert a video of my hair with the slip and how it came out after conditioning. Next, what I did was when I came out, my hair was cleansed and feeling like it's got all these breezes running through it because it's nice and cool. What I did was I went in with their hair milk. This stuff right here. This stuff is really liquidy, so I just use it for more of a like a moisturizer, like a leave-in conditioner. So I did that first, and then I went in with coconut shakes. I needed something to hold in the moisture and to style my hair. So I went in with their curling jelly from the coconut line because there wasn't a styler in the Peppermint Tea Tree line. And then I started 2-strand twisting. I'll insert a video of that. twisting. I went in with their natural hair oil. Looks like this. Comes in a neat little silvery spray bottle. So I read the directions on this too because I'm not really like into oils too much. I didn't really start using those. So I read the directions and said it's good for your hair and scalp. So I wish I had a video or a picture of how my scalp looked before I started this line. So like this front here, this is my problem area. In the winter, hair gets extremely dry, really flaky. So after shampooing, conditioning, all that stuff, I followed up with the hair oil onto my scalp, and there is no flakes there. Like before I started, it looked like it was the Himalayas up there, like it was flaky. So there's nothing there anymore. It feels so cleansed. And then after that, I just went in with some of their temple balm, all natural temple balm. So it said this is good for your edges and to strengthen it. So I strengthened my edges with this. I just went in, just added a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit more now, to be honest. Looks like this. And of course, like everything else, it just smells amazing. Now, if you all are like a little bit worried about whether you're gonna like the peppermint or not, because you don't like peppermint, I will be the first to tell you that this stuff is amazing. I personally do not like peppermint. I hate it. I hate the smell of it. I hate the taste of it. It makes me want to throw up. But I can deal with this. It just feels good and it smells good. It's not too strong. It's not overbearing. I just want y'all to know that. And this balm is like amazing. I just put it in my roots with some extra moisture and some strength. So that's what I did, and then I tied my hair down, and then I took my twist out, which I'll insert a video of that. And then that's where we are now. And my twists are out. They're extra defined. I'm loving it. Loving, loving, loving. And I picked it out for some extra volume. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This little tutorial. Thank you, Eden, for sending me these products. I love them. They are definitely amazing. All right, loves, I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching Curls by Danny. Bye. Hey loves, I just wanted to give a quick update. So I went out today and did a whole bunch of running errands out in the windy, cold air of this fall season. And I just wanted to give you a quick update of how my hair held up. So it held up nicely. I still have the same definition that I had earlier today when I took it out. And it still shakes, it's still loose, feels nice. Also my scalp, that is what I want to tell y'all about. My scalp feels amazing. It feels cool and cleansed. I really just love this whole line. Also, that hair oil that I've been using for on my scalp, amazing. Like my hair is so soft right here, and where at the root where my hair was parted for my twist, it's so soft everywhere. It just feels really cleansed and conditioned. it was not itchy or anything at all today. And I felt a little bit of a tingle, which was really awesome, from the peppermint. So I just wanted to give y'all that quick update. Thanks again. I'll see you in my next video.